Ariana Grande says it is time for her to go back to Manchester. Well, she actually is not, she didn't say exactly when she's going to, but she did speak about the attack for the first time with a very lengthy message, a note to her fans about what happened in Manchester, but also saying that she will be returning to Manchester because she wants to spend time with her fans, and she wants to have a benefit concert in honor of and to raise money for the victims and their families. An incredible thing. I'm shocked that she is saying this at this point because we know how torn up she was about what happened.
But she also wants to do something.
Yeah.
I mean, we know she wanted to do something, and it's hard to know what do you do when 22 people who came to your concert died and 59 who got horribly injured. What do you do? And it's hard to figure out. You can't make it right because there's nothing to make right at this point. But she's doing what she can do.
Right.
It's actually a very important symbolic move.
And I think obviously it's Scooter Braun's her manager, so it's going to be done well. But I think they really have a chance to raise a lot of money for the Red Cross and the victims and everything. I mean, they could live stream this. They could set up donations online during the show. I mean, there's a lot of opportunity to do a lot of good with this show as well.
Oh, for sure.
Yeah.
And you know, good for her because she really is.
Well,
she's
I think
so torn up.
it is a sign of the fact that she's starting to recover from this because we know that she was devastated that night, and that her tour has now been postponed until when is it, June?
Well, no,
they're going to start
at least June 5th.
Mid-June, right.
But she doesn't know when she's going to be able to do it, so they've kind of like left it on hold.
Hi, this is Jasmine from New York. I just want to say good for Ariana for being incredibly brave after something incredibly traumatic. And I think this is time to stand by the victims that passed away and not tear down people with hate.
Yeah, I mean, by the way, her boyfriend, Mac Miller,
Yeah.
has canceled his tours this weekend.
Well, there's a sign that he's going to stay by her side, while she's getting through this.
Make sure to subscribe to TMZ Live to keep up to date on the latest entertainment news.
And if you want to keep watching, click on one of these videos right now.